Should you buy a renovated home or a fixer-upper home? What's right for you? I'm Holly McKhann, local realtor in Orange County, and I want to share with you my thoughts on this process. Now, keep in mind, I'm coming to you from the perspective of someone who has flipped over 250 homes with my husband. In fact, he's the one that does most of the work. I just sell them when they're fixed up. But I'm involved in all of the decisions, design choices, and all of that for all of our home flips. So I have a lot of experience with this and know what things cost. So what is the pro of buying a renovated home? Well, it's wonderful that the work is already done and you can move in. What is a con? You're going to pay more for it for sure. It also might not have the perfect finishes that you would have chosen. Now, some things, if it's a light fixture, it's inexpensive and easy to change. But if it's some tile, that's not so easy to change. So if it's not perfect the way you want it, can you live with it? Will you be okay with it? Another thing to consider when you're looking at a house is the effect of staging. I see people fall in love with a home that I know without staging, they wouldn't give a second look to or a second thought. But when there's beautiful brand new furniture in a house, people come in, sit down, feel the vibe of the house, as they would say, and they often fall in love. They get that emotional attachment. So when you're shopping for home, make sure that you're not falling in love with the staging only, because you're going to have to pay up for all that same furniture if that's something that you want. Now let's talk about a fixer-upper. This is often my favorite way to go and my favorite way to help clients get a better deal on a home because they can get it for a lower price. You get to make it how you want it, customize it to your taste, and you really add value to the home that way too, because with my connections and resources, you can get things done much less expensively than if you just went on the open market and started Googling contractors and various things. So you're going to create more value and have more instant equity, get it the way you like it. And also with my connections, I've had clients get a full renovated home in only 4 weeks for about 2,000 square feet. That's with a new kitchen, new bathrooms, new flooring, paint, the whole thing. It's really doesn't need to take as long as some contractors take. So what's the con to it? Well, you do have to wait a while, and I recommend not living in it while it's getting renovated. So you will have double payments, as they would say, on the home you just bought and you're renovating versus, and also the home you're staying in. So you're going to have to pay for two homes for a month or longer if it's an extensive renovation. You have decisions to make, which can be stressful. The whole process can be very overwhelming to some people. I'm used to making decisions quickly on houses I flip because I know I'm not going to live in it. But man, when it comes to my own homes, we definitely take a lot longer to make the decisions and it can be stressful. So there are your options. What do I recommend for you? It really depends on your personality and how much time and energy you have to devote to the process and how much you want to save money. So I'm happy to talk about it with you or any of your loved ones if you're considering a home purchase and in this situation right now. I would love to help you, as I've helped many buyers buy those fixer-uppers and get them renovated at really good prices, and then they get their dream home at a lower price than they otherwise would have expected. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.